Hey guys, my name is Katarina Vieri. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick haul. I'm going to be unboxing the shipment I recently got from the Hay House. Now, they have their annual sale or semi-annual sale event pretty frequently, twice a year, I think, and they often have sales as well on different card decks, different oracle decks. Now, part of my channel is dedicated to unboxing and reviewing decks of tarot and oracle cards, so I stocked up for the next few months and also to expand my personal collection, and I thought I'd make this fun little video unboxing this giant shipment of cards and showing you the first looks. Now, I will be individually unwrapping these sets later on and posting more videos, so if you're interested in watching some card unboxings and reviews, if any of these decks interest you, make sure to definitely subscribe because I will be covering all of them. It's probably going to take me some time, but I will get through all of them for sure. And I've already made a few videos of unboxing tarot and oracle cards, so if you want to check those out, I will link them in the description of the video below. So drop a comment if you enjoy seeing unboxing card hauls, if you want to see my full collection of tarot and oracle cards. It's going to be pretty hard to put it all together in one space because it's very big, but I think some of you might be interested in seeing that, and if so, let me know in the comments. On this note, let's jump right in. Let's get into this giant box and see what's in it. guys so very much for tuning in onto this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you want to see these individual decks unwrapped, unboxed, full flip through where we see all the cards in the deck, you know, where I review the deck and the guidebook that comes with it. If you want to check those out coming up, then definitely subscribe to my channel because I will be reviewing, unboxing, and doing flip throughs on all these decks I just got. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It's kind of a little shorter and a little more just, you know, just show and tell essentially. But I hope you still enjoyed it, and if you did, let me know because I would be happy to make another video showing you my full collection of tarot and oracle cards. On this note, thank you very much for subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I will see you in the next one. You'll take care. Love you so very much. I hope you can feel my love. Bye.